Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Glip. You click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will search about the application of Glip and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click here on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter, you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.